Wannamulli everyone. It's just so overwhelming that I hear there's 100 deadly students from around Australia here. It's an absolute privilege for you all to be here today and to have an Indigenous perspective within the university.
JCU University Winter Program is for Indigenous students that are in years 10, 11 and 12. That's not just here in Queensland, that's all around Australia.
I'm Kyra, I'm from Darwin.
I'm Colin Briggs from the Kamilaroi community in Moree, but I live on Bundjalung Nation up on the coast.
Kane Gibbison, I'm from Brisbane, Queensland.
My name is Warren McGutcheon, I'm from Mariva up in the Tablelands.
I'm Darcy Gillett and I'm from Mount Isa.
I'm Kaya Mogni O'Sullivan, I'm from Mossman.
My name's Duran Neil Yateman and I'm from Yarrabah.
My name is Mela Mali, my mob is Yupungatti and we're from Old Mapoon.
My name's Raven Tawala, I am from Kingscliff along the Gold Coast. I'm a Morang Muba Gujambara woman of the Bundjalung Nation.
One of the key benefits for the students is about giving them an opportunity of how it is to be a university student. And it also gives them an opportunity to explore some of the different courses that are available.
Unsure if I wanted to do more TAFE for uni, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to see what uni life is like and see if that's for me.
I want to go to university when I finish school and I'm interested in law and business.
I'm doing education here, and when I leave school I want to go to university and probably study to be a teacher.
I came here to study nursing and midwifery because I want to be a paediatric nurse when I graduate, and I just thought this was the perfect opportunity to come down and learn more things.
I originally picked education, but I got pushed into law as my second option, which I originally was never into, although I've actually really enjoyed it, so see what happens from there.
I want to acknowledge all of you mob, all of you students that have come far to experience the 5 days of the Winter School program. So for me, looking at you all out there with your graduation hats on and the robes, it's just awesome and real deadly to see. We've got a lot of future Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander young people, leaders that are going to be guiding us into the future.
One love, one heart, let's get together and...
I went here last year for JCU Winter School for engineering, and the main thing that makes this place good is the people.
I'm a student ambassador and this is my second year of doing it. Mainly just being someone that the students can come up and ask questions to, help guide them around. It was a bit nervous at the start, but it's been really good and all the staff here like really nice. It's been great, yeah, I've actually really enjoyed the classes and stuff that we've done. The lecturers have been amazing.
It is you and you alone who has the curiosity, imagination, courage and compassion to embrace these gifts and create your own individual freedom.